So in my mind then, if we're long on SPY, if we're using this as an example for SPY and we're talking about the level of 600 at the moment, if we're long and we're trading above 600, this has happened at 600, right? As long as we're above 600 and the trend's long on both time frames, I'm going in that long direction, because all I've done is just stack those odds, get that positive expectancy, that edge is slightly in my favor. That's all I'm trying to do. Tip that, even if it's 5%, 1%, 2%, that's all I'm trying to do.
And really what you're doing as well, based on this, is are you scalping, would you say, day trade?
Do you know what? It's actually not as much of a scalp as some of the other guys like Lance, etc. All of those guys. I take one trade a day. So normally, if my stop on something like Google or whatever it is like 60 cents, I'm normally aiming for $1.20. So that could probably take about, on average, my trades last about 4 to like 8 or 9 minutes. So they're not very long.
I'd say scalp.
Yeah, if that's a scalp, that's a scalp. But I've got another trader like in our trading room, like, you know, who trades like literally like 10-cent stops to 40-cent targets, like seconds, a lot all day.
Or a minute or two.
Exactly. So I see him as a scalper.
I know, it's so interesting, and I think it's a really great point. Actually, it's like perspective.
Yeah.
Right. You know, someone might sit there and say scalping doesn't work. I had that recently, to be fair, a guest, and a lot of people get annoyed when in reality, what I've noticed. And you really see this when you go into the more professional picture, is that people do have very strong opinions, more so because of what's worked for them.